Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about what are the top 7 homeopathic medicines for computer vision syndrome. So before starting this, first of all, I would like to discuss about computer vision syndrome, that what exactly is computer vision syndrome. So computer vision syndrome is also known as digital eye strain or computer eye strain. It's a condition that can cause specific vision and eye problems like eye strain, eye fatigue, headache, blurry vision, double vision, dry eyes, itchy, red or the tearing eyes, neck pain, shoulder pain, and it's caused by focusing on the digital screen for a longer time. This includes digital screens on devices like computers, tablets, e-readers, smartphones, etc. So when you look at the digital screen, your eyes need to work harder to focus. That's because the text on the digital screens isn't as sharp as the words on the printed page. Also, digital screens are prone to have glare, making it even harder for the eyes to focus properly. More likely to develop computer vision syndrome if you view a digital screen for 2 or more hours in a row. So this is exactly the meaning of computer vision syndrome. Now next we'll talk about the risk factors. So what are the risk factors for digital eye strain or computer vision syndrome? So they include, firstly, looking at a digital screen every day. Secondly, poor light reflection on a digital screen. Fourth, uncorrected vision issues like myopia or hypermetropia, or simply you can say farsightedness or astigmatism. Next, incorrect prescription eyeglasses, incorrect viewing distance or angle, poor postures while sitting. So these are some risk factors that contribute to the computer vision syndrome. Now next we'll talk about the homeopathic medicines. So what are the common homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the computer vision syndrome treatment? So as we all know that homeopathic medicines are highly beneficial to treat computer vision syndrome. So these medicines help to manage the symptom of computer vision syndromes and they eventually brings relief. So symptoms of computer vision syndromes include, as I have already discussed, eyes, blurred vision, eye strain, tired eyes, irritation in the eyes, burning in the eyes, double vision, headache, and neck pain can all be wonderfully managed with the natural medicines. So first and the foremost medicine for the computer vision syndrome is Ruta. So to manage the eye strains and the tired eyes, Ruta is a very excellent medicine. And this medicine is prepared from a plant that is Ruta, and it is commonly known by the name of Rue of the natural order Rutaceae. So Ruta is very helpful to manage complaint of the eye strain and tired eyes in case of computer vision syndrome. And the patient felt there is a aching in the eyes along with eye strains. Object seem dim with the dullness or the weakness of the sight. Vision get blurred. Irritation is felt in the eyes with the watery eyes. Pressure is also felt deep in the eyes. Burning sensation in the eyes is also experienced. And headaches are frequently experienced from eye strains in case of the patients who are requiring Ruta. So if you find such symptoms, then only you can prescribe this medicine to your patient for managing the eye strains and the tired eyes in case of computer vision syndrome. Now let's talk about the second medicine, that is, so this medicine is mainly indicated for the dry eyes and the red eyes. So this medicine is prepared from a plant named Deadly Nightshade of the natural order of Solanaceae family. So this medicine is very beneficial to manage dry and the red eyes in computer vision syndrome. The eyes are congested and dry. There is a feeling of sand being present in the eyes is felt. There is a oppressive type of pain deep in the eyes may be felt that gets worse by the movement and by the light. There is double vision and there is a heat and burning in the eyes that can also be felt. And sometimes itching and smarting in the eyes is felt. So belladonna also helps to manage headaches in case of computer vision syndrome. So if you find such symptoms, only then you can prescribe belladonna in case of computer vision syndrome for the dry and red eyes. Now let's talk about the third medicine. So third medicine is Firestigma. So for the computer vision syndrome with the blurred vision, Firestigma is a very excellent medicine. It works well in case of computer vision syndrome with the blurred vision. Objects in the lines of vision seems mixed and double vision may appear in some cases. Along with this, dull pain over the eyes is felt. The eyes feel weak and a drawing sensation in the eyes may be present. The eyes may also water excessively. So if you find such symptoms in your patient, then only you can prescribe Firestigma for computer vision syndromes who have blurred vision. Now next medicine, that is fourth one, that is Euphrasia. So for the computer vision syndrome with the irritation and burning in the eyes, Euphrasia is a very excellent medicine for this. And in cases of computer vision syndrome, there is a irritation and burning which are attended with excessive watering from the eyes. There is a marked biting and smarting sensation in the eyes. Sometimes a griftiness or a sensation of sand is experienced in the eyes. Eyes feels dry and very itchy. Visions get somewhat dim and pressure and tension appears in the eyes. So based on these symptoms, you can prescribe Euphrasia for computer vision syndrome. The next medicine is Gelsemium. So to manage the double vision, Gelsemium is prepared from the bark of the root of the plant, that is Gelsemium sempervirens, which is commonly known as yellow jasmine, and it is a very valuable medicine for managing computer vision syndrome in the patient who have double vision. So the double vision is most felt and looking sideways. Dimness of the sight attends. Along with this, heaviness of the eyes is prominent. Eyes feel sore with aching pains. Redness of the eyes along with watering is also noted with above symptoms. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can give Gelsemium to your patient for the treatment of computer vision syndrome with double vision. Now next medicine, that is sixth one, Nitramur. So Natrum muraticum for the headaches in computer vision syndromes. It may be whipping or throbbing type. In some cases, it feels like little hammers are knocking in the head, while in some cases, bursting sensation in the head is felt. Dull, heavy pain in the head may be there in few cases. The forehead mostly feels tensed with the sensation of weight over it. Along with this, an aching pain is felt in the eyes. Eyes also get red, vision feels dim, and in some cases double vision may also be present. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe Natrum for the headaches in computer vision syndrome. If you find such symptoms, only then you can prescribe Natrum. Now next medicine, that is last one, Rustox. So for managing the neck pain in the stiffness in computer vision syndrome. In cases needing Rustox, the neck feel very painful and stiff. The pain extends to the shoulders from the neck. Pain is also felt between the shoulder blade and scapula. The pain and the stiffness get worse at rest, and while movement of the neck gives relief. And warmth also help to relieve the pain. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe Rustox for managing the neck pain and the stiffness problem in computer vision syndrome. So these are the top 7 homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of computer vision syndrome. Now next, we'll talk about some natural tip. So you may be able to reduce or prevent eye strain by changing the way you use digital screens. Here are some tips that may help protect your eyes from strain and discomfort. So first natural tip is adjust your computers. So position of your computer screen 20 to 28 inches from your eyes. Sitting too close to the digital screen can increase your risk of eye strain. Place the screen slightly below eye levels, about 4 to 5 inches. Tilt the top of the screen about 10 to 20 degrees and make sure you are not tilting your neck upward or downward to see the screen. And you can also make the text and the images more visible and easier to read by increasing the contrast, brightness, and font size of your device. So this is the first tip. Now second tip is blink frequently. So blinking helps you prevent your eyes from drying out by spreading moistures and mucus across your eyes. If you don't blink often enough, it can cause your eyes to become dry and irritated. And looking at the computer or the digital screen may cause you to blink less often than you should. In fact, according to the University of Iowa, you blink 60% less while on the computers. So try to remember to blink often when you are using a computer or other digital devices, and take regular breaks when your screen to give you eyes a rest. Now third tip is reduce screen glare. Screen glares happen when light is reflected off your screen. The light often comes from over windows. So try to reduce or eliminate glare by closing blinds, shades, or curtains on the windows to reduce or minimize screen glare. Secondly, using lower voltage light bulbs. Thirdly, dimming overhead lights. Fourth, adding a screen glare filter to your computer. Now, fourth tip is use the right eyeglasses. This is one of the best tips used by most of the peoples nowadays, using the right eyeglasses for using digital screens. So if you wear eyeglasses, make sure your prescription is correct. Wearing the wrong prescription can make it difficult for your eyes to focus correctly. This can increase your risk for eye strain and headaches. So if your glasses are for distance reading or both, you may need a new prescription just for view digital screens. The next tip, adjust your posture. Poor posture can increase your risk to eye strain. That's why it's important to design your workplace in a way that promotes good posture while you are sitting in front of your computer. So when sitting in front of your computer or other digital screen, keep these tips in your mind for good posture. Firstly, sit up straight with your ears aligned over your shoulders. Avoid letting your head and neck lean forward. Second tip, keep your shoulder relaxed. Avoid hunching or slouching forward. Third, position your computer screen slightly below eye levels. Make sure you do not have to lift your head up or down or lean forward to use the screen clearly. Next, use a chair with the right height. So try to keep your feet flat on the floor with your knees level or slightly higher than your hips. Next, use a chair with a good back support. Now, sixth tip is take a regular breaks. A major risk factor for the computer vision syndrome is continuous use of a digital screen. So to minimize your risk, take a routine break. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. That is, the 20-20-20 rule can help your eyes refocus and rest. Look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds and every 20 minutes. Second, rest for 15 minutes. After 2 hours of computer continuous screen use, rest your eyes for 15 minutes. Move away from your computer and focus on objects that are closer and further away than your digital screen. Do non-screen tasks. During each break, avoid looking at another digital screen. Try avoiding non-screen tasks like organizing paperwork or taking a walk. Now, last tip is use your eye drops. So lubricating eye drops are designed to keep your eyes moisturized. You can buy several types of lubricating eye drops over the counter that may help reduce dry eye symptoms. Okay, so these are some natural tips in order to avoid computer vision syndrome. So that's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy, and yes, thanks for watching this video.